Now, the dimension of the square, meaning the actual value, is 6.25 centimeter. This is the actual value. Okay. Now, but the student measured it as 6.12 centimeter. So, meaning my measured value is 6.12 centimeter. All right. Now, it says calculate the perimeter and the area of the square. Then find the percentage error in the what? Measured length. First, look at it. This is a square. Okay. In a square, all sides are equal. That's one of the properties of a square. All sides are equal. So meaning, if here is 6.25, here will be 6.25, here will also be 6.25, then here will still be 6.25. So this is the actual length, that's actual dimension for the square. But the student measured it as 6.12 cm, 6.12 cm, 6.12 cm, and 6.12 cm. Okay, first, let me get the area and the perimeter. All right, now for the perimeter of a square is 4L. That is 4 times the length. Listen, perimeter is summation of all the sides. That is this side, this side, this side, this side is equal to the perimeter. Okay, and this side, this side, this side, this side is 4. So 4 times the length will give me the perimeter. So meaning I'm going to have perimeter is equals to 4 times my length is what? 6.25. So perimeter will give me, I'll multiply this to 5. So I have 25 cm here. That's for the actual. While for the measured, I have perimeter equals to 4L, which is perimeter equals to 4 times L is what? 6.12. So I have perimeter equals to, I'll multiply 24.48 centimeter. All right, now this is the actual perimeter, and this is the measured perimeter. Let me also get for the area. Okay, area of a square is L raised to power 2. That is length times length. Okay, so I have area is equals to, my length is what? 6.25 times 6.25. Okay, my area is what? Multiply this 39.06 centimeter square. That's the area. Okay, now for the measured, I have area equals to L raised to power 2. Okay, so I have area equals to, my length is what? That is 6.12 times 6.12. So I have area equal to 0.45 centimeter square. All right, now this is the perimeter of the actual. This is the area of the actual. Okay, while this is the perimeter of the measured value. Now this is the area of the measured value. All right, now the first question they asked us, okay, we have addressed that first question. Now the second, now we have Roman figure 1. It says find the percentage error in the measured length. Okay, find the percentage error in the measured length. Let me clean this part and solve the other part. Okay, before I do that, let me write this. Roman figure 1. It says find the percentage error in the measured length. Let's go. Formula for percentage error. Percentage error is equals to actual value minus measured value over actual value times 100 over 1. This is the formula we use. Okay, formula for percentage error is actual value minus the measured value divided by the actual value times 100 over 1. Okay, but when the measured value is greater than the actual value, measured value will come first to avoid negative in your answer. So meaning we can as well have percentage error equals to measured value minus actual value divided by the actual value times 100 over 1. You use that formula when the measured value is greater than the actual value. But in this case now, the actual value is greater than the measured value. So actual value will come first. Whether actual value is coming first or measured value is coming first, it must be divided by the actual value. Take note of that. So I will substitute. I have percentage error equals to actual value 6.25 minus measured value 6.12 over actual value 6.25, then times 100 over 1. All right, now let me subtract these two. I have percentage error equals to, subtract this, 0.13 divide 6.25 times 100 over 1. So I have percentage error equals to, multiply these two. This will give me 13, then divide 6.25. Okay, I have percentage error equals to, then divide, I have 2.08%. All right, so this is the percentage error in Roman figure 1 measured length. Okay, this is the percentage error in the measured length. Okay, they also ask us to calculate for the percentage error in the perimeter and also in the area. So let me do the one of calculated perimeter, the percentage error. Let's go. All right, now percentage error now. All right, for the perimeter, let's go for the calculated perimeter. That is percentage error in the calculated perimeter. Let's go. I will use the same formula. Okay, for perimeter, this is the actual value and here is the measured value. So I will use these two to calculate for the perimeter. Let's go. So I have percentage error, okay, equals to actual value. Look at it here for perimeter. I have 25 minus measured value. I have 24.48, 24.48 divide actual value, which is 25, then times 100 over 1. Okay, I have the percentage error equals to, I will subtract this. I have 0.52 divide 25, then times 100 over 1. Okay, so I have percentage error equals to, multiply these two. I will have 52, then divide 25. So I will have percentage error equals to, I will divide these two. That is 52 divide 25, 2.08%. 2.08%. All right, now the next one is, I will calculate the percentage error in the area. That's the next one I will do. The percentage error in the area, this is the actual value for the area, and this is the measured value for the area. Okay, I'm using these two now to solve. Look at it. Percentage error, I will substitute actual value. I have 39.06 minus measured value. I have 37.45, then divide 39.06, okay, times 100 over 1. So I have percentage error equals to, I will subtract these two. That is 39.06 minus 37.45, 1.61, okay, divide 39.06 times 100 over 1. Okay, I will have percentage error now in the area. Multiply this. This will give me 161 divide 39.06. So I have percentage error equals to now 4.1%. All right, so I have 4.1%. So this is the percentage error for the calculated area. Okay, all right, so thank you very much. Just go through. Okay, if there's anyone you don't understand, leave a comment. Okay, in my next video I will